Let's do some tutorials today. Facebook and social media tutorial. Yes. So if this is your first time, like the page, follow. If you're following from YouTube, follow along, subscribe. Yeah, right? That's what it's called. So today, for the new content creators, I have some things to motivate you if you're trying to get visibility, if you're trying to get monetized. Yes, I am from Nigeria, just in case you see me for the first time. Nigeria just got monetized a few months ago, and a lot of content creators or upcoming creators are struggling for visibility. I'm going to teach you some of the things you need to do to get your video being viewed by others. Another thing is creating video over and over and over and nobody is watching your video. So here are some of the tips that I know that worked for me, so you can also try those tips. It might work for you. Social media is revolving and evolving. Sometimes you come to, I use myself as an example because I don't do daily vlog. Like there are some people who get up and they vlog. My kids are all grown, so if you have younger kids, you can do vlog with them. But if you're struggling to get content and to get visibility, do, if you have a content creator that you like, you love so much, and that content creator always having lots of views, what you can do, watch the video from A to Z and repeat that video in your own voice. Don't copy her video and paste on your channel because it's not your video. Do it, write it down, do the video like that and paste and put it on your page. And when you put it on your page, how now do you get people to watch your videos? Look on the Facebook, for example. There are so many groups on Facebook. Personally, I have two groups on Facebook. My own group that I created for myself, and other people also post their content there. So it's ticked for tat. One of them is Katia Valino Lovers. I know you guys must have seen that. The other one is Gist of the Day. It's a page I created just to help me get visibility. You don't have to create a page if you don't want to, but rather you can join groups. I'm sorry, you don't have to create a group, but you can join some groups. There are some groups on Facebook that is public group. When you join them, you share your videos there. You get visibility from there. Secondly, don't be afraid to reshare your videos in your stories. I don't mean just to post it on stories. Once that video is on your platform, you can reshare that in your story every 24 hours, because people that might watch it today might not be the same people that will watch it tomorrow. So continuously reshare your post in your stories. Comment on other people's platform, especially if you're trying to get noticed or get monetized. But do not write a note, a comment, and say, please follow my page. Facebook does not like that. Rather, give them comment, and then it can strike a pause or an open eyes for the owner of the page. Oh, who's this person that continuously leave me beautiful messages? They might want to come and check you out, and then they can follow you. Another way is to share your videos on your WhatsApp status. Copy the link, after doing the video. When you try to share, it's going to show you a button that says share, right? Yes, so you copy the link, you go to your WhatsApp story and you paste it there. When people click on that button, it will bring you to your Facebook or your YouTube or wherever, and people can view that. Do not be afraid or be shy to tell your family members or your friends to help you share your videos, because hey, you are starting, you need all the visibility that can get you out there. Another one is to revolve and evolve in your content. If you think that your content is not getting you views, change, do a different kind of content. For example, I just started doing motivational quotes, right? I'm so intrigued by the motivational quotes. So, and where I get those motivational quotes, when I look at them, they have millions and millions of views. I say, okay, maybe this is what I can try to do on my Reels. It's only 1 minute to help boost my page as well. So get out there, Try and be consistent. Don't do today and then you wait for Saturday to do another one. This is why content creators pre-record videos ahead of time, except you're a blogger and you're doing things as they unfold. But if you're not a blogger, try as much as you can. If you have one day off, try to record to 2 minutes video, maybe 5 videos in a day. Change your outfit, change your wig, change many things, and record videos and load them on your phone and upload them one after the other. You guys will be so amazed and so shocked to know that I went into my phone and then I saw lots of videos that I recorded while I was in Nigeria. I have not edited them, I have not posted them. So be ready, load up your phones, your whatever, your computer with videos, because sometimes you might be waiting to have some time to record. Many of the times you might not even be in the mood, even though you are off work, you might not even be in the mood to record. So pull up your other videos that you have on your phone and edit them and share. So I hope this helps you guys. Follow, subscribe, share. I will see you guys. It's time for cooking. I'm gonna go downstairs and we're going to be whooping up some food. Thank you. Love you.